How do you automatically protect files uploaded through your WordPress contact forms? Let me show you exactly why this matters. Here's a travel booking form where users can upload their passport. Watch what happens when someone submits it. The file lands in the WordPress media library with a completely public URL. Anyone with that link can open it directly in their browser. Here's how to fix it. No code required. Use the Prevent Direct Access Gold plugin combined with its Contact Forms integration extension. Together, they automatically protect every file your users submit through your forms the moment it hits your server. First, make sure the PDA Free and Gold versions are installed and activated, along with the Contact Forms integration extension. Then, go to PDA Gold Settings, select the Forms and ACF tab, and enable the toggle for your Contact Form plugin. Hit Save Changes. That's all the configuration you need. Now watch the same process with protection on. The user submits the form. The file lands in the media library, but this time, that same public URL returns an error. The file is there, but no one can access it unless you explicitly allow it. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.